everyone, welcome you all to my channel The Glam Mom. This is me Asmeen and
hi, I'm Sarah, and in today's video I'm gonna make chocolate rice crispies. So without wasting time, let's get started. So everybody, if you've liked this video, do press the like button, do share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my mother's channel, The Glam Mom.
so for those who are new to my channel and are visiting my channel the first time, do subscribe the channel The Glam Mom and also leave in your valuable comments down and let me know how you're liking the videos. Okay then.
Bye.